Ciao a tutti, benvenuti. We bought a house in Italy during a pandemic. I know, you're probably thinking, crazy, wasted money, doing everything. But let me just explain to you. 2019, we went to Italy, my wife and I. She went for the first time, and she fell in love with Italy. She couldn't get enough of it. She told her the family she wanted to stay there, and then I had to drag her to the airport at Rome at the end of the holiday, kicking and screaming that she didn't want to come back to Australia. So, while we're in Italy, we went around to many real estates and had a look at other properties, but we just couldn't find exactly what we were after. So, when we went back to Australia, my wife set out, Donna, and my son Xavier, we sat out as a family and we looked on the internet to find where in Italy we wanted to be. We noticed that the infrastructure of all the autostradas made everything closer, whether you wanted to be in Abruzzo and Chieti or you wanted to be in southern Abruzzo near Vasto. It was just everything was close and convenient. We chose southern Italy. We found when we were Googling on the internet that it was very affordable. And we found that we could get exactly what we wanted when we wanted. We loved Italy. We loved Abruzzo. We loved the food. My father was originally from Abruzzo, and I've always had strong ties to Abruzzo, but I just wasn't at the right stage of my life to make that commitment. So, let me tell you a little bit about it. We found a beautiful house. It's 3 stories. It needs a little bit of work. We've had fantastic real estate. They took us through the whole procedure of how to do it. They held our hands. They told us the costings. They gave us virtual tours. And literally it was like being in the house and seeing it live, but without being there. Now, to do the process, we had to engage a solicitor in Australia so we can get the... we couldn't be in Italy for the settlement, so we had to get the agent to act on our behalf. And that was a very easy process, and then we transferred the funds for the settlement, and bang, we had a house. So we've engaged a geometer. They're fantastic. They've got fresh ideas. The house needs a little bit of work because there's a little kitchen in the house, which you'll see from our videos on our channel in Renovating in Italy. Now, I hope this has been helpful for you. Just remember, you're not going to get a house like you have in America, United States, England, or Australia. The house is a lot older, there's mould, then there's humidity issues, so you're going to have to deal with them all. So this is a little introduction. We bought it, we found it really simple, we love Italy. I'm here to answer any of your questions on the process. I'm here to explain things to you. We bought it and we found it really easy. The real estate agency that we used was Abruzzo Rural Property. So feel free to ask me any questions in the comments. My next video, I will explain to you how, why, what you need to do. I found it very easy because they got our fiscal code. I'm an Italian citizen, so things were not as hard as what I thought they were going to be. Now, I'm looking forward to going to Italy, renovating the property with my beautiful partner, getting the contractors and getting things done. So I look forward to answering your questions. If you've got any queries, put them in the comments. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and I'll deliver you more videos of beautiful Italy, the things we do, our adventures, the renovations, and not only that, stay beautiful. Italy is the place to be.